when you need the world's most reliable globe control valve. Fast, pronto, immediately. Introducing same-day ship from Trimteck.
Our manufacturing facility in Coral Springs, Florida now has a dedicated production cell to configure, assemble, test, and ship globe control valves within hours of receiving a purchase order.
Place an order for a qualifying General Service OpGL before 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and we will ship on the same day.
Sudden failure of an existing control valve causing expensive, unplanned downtime?
Have a valve that's been deemed unrepairable during a planned outage?
Trimteck is here for your O-ship
moments.
Contact your local Trimteck distributor at trimteck.com/find-a-rep.
Or call a Trimteck Applications Engineer, 954-753-5545.